Puducherry court today acquitted the Kanchi seers Jayendra, Saraswathi and Vijayendra in the 2004 Sankararaman murder case. Now the court also acquitted 21 other accused in the murder of A. Sankararaman, who was a manager at the Varadarajan Perumal temple in Kancheepuram in Tamil Nadu. Sankararaman was allegedly murdered on the 3rd of September in 2004 in the temple premises. A total of 24 persons were charged as accused under various sections of the IPC. One of the accused, Kanchi Ravan, was murdered in March this year at KK Nagar in Chennai, and the trial of the case was shifted from the Chengalpet court in Tamil Nadu to Puducherry by the Supreme Court in 2005. The trial was transferred on the plea by Jayendra, who alleged that the atmosphere in Tamil Nadu was not conducive for a free and fair trial there.
The judge said Sankararaman's own wife and daughter did not recognize the accused. Most of 20 witnesses examined failed to support the prosecution. 83 witnesses turned hostile and there was no corroborative evidence. Some witnesses were threatened into giving confessions to a magistrate by an investigating officer. The case has seen many twists and turns over a 9-year legal battle. Soon after the murder in September 2004, the Tamil Nadu police arrested one set of criminals who were later found to be a setup. Investigations later led the police to the seers' involvement. Records showed phone calls were made to the assailants from the Mutt and its bank account used to pay them off. Several police and judicial officials were embroiled in controversies of allegedly going easy on the Pontiff. One of the main witnesses was even murdered in early 2013.
No, because the judge has delivered the judgment today, he has pointed so many points that is defects in the prosecution case, and it is favorable to the accused person. That is why he has acquitted. And now the first main point that he has stated in the court, that the members of the deceased family, that is wife, daughter and son, they did not support the case, so that the motive is not proved.
Is it a setback for you?
It is setback even from the it is a setback even from the earlier time.
Right.
Because they did not support. It is on record.
87 witnesses turned hostile. 83. So, and even the approver turned hostile.
Yes.
So what has the prosecution done?
No, we have done as per law. We have cross-examined. We have brought all the facts, and we have shown so many judgments that also hostile witnesses cannot be rejected and taken into consideration. The judge did not consider it.
The witnesses who has been present there, they have not supported the prosecution, and the prosecution has failed to prove the case beyond doubt. Therefore, all the accused have been acquitted.
For hatching conspiracy, once conspiracy goes, there is no motive. The session judge mentioned about the investigating officer, namely by Prem Kumar, that he has undue interest and influence in this case.
शंकराचार्य दयानंद सरस्वती जी बहुत आदरणीय व्यक्ति हैं और न्यायालय ने जो भी फैसला इस पर किया है, हम न्यायालय का निर्णय का सम्मान करते हैं।
अदालत में कोई चीज फैसला होती है, उस पर क्या बोलना, उस पर कोई बोलने की जरूरत नहीं। अच्छा है वो एक पीठ के शंकराचार्य थे, उन पर जो आरोप लगे थे उससे बरी हो गए वो।